In this WebEx, we are going to review how you log into the Hospice Abstraction Reporting tool, also known as HART. There will be a demonstration tool that is scheduled to be available for download from www.qtso.com in June that will allow you to familiarize yourself with the look and feel of HART. This demo tool will allow you to add facilities, users, patients, and hospice item set records, also known as HIS records, in the same manner as the production tool. However, it will not allow you to export any HIS records. Please keep in mind that any data that is entered into the demonstration tool is test data only and will not be transferable to the production version of HART. The production version of HART will be installed separate of the demonstration version and will begin with a blank database. This will require the entry of facility, user, and patient level data before the creation of HIS records via the production version of HART. The production version of HART is scheduled to be available for download from www.qtso.com in June 2014. However, the production version of HART will not allow any HIS record data to be entered until July 1, 2014 due to date validation checks. At the initial login, you will be required to use the default user ID and password. The default user ID is HART, all lowercase letters. And the default password is HART, again, all lowercase. You will then be prompted with a pop-up box asking you to change your password. The requirements for the new password are listed within the pop-up box. You will need to enter a new password and then enter it again to confirm. The next pop-up box will ask you to fill out at least 6 of the 10 security questions listed. These questions will be used if you ever need to access the Forgot Password feature to unlock your account or reset your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button on the login screen, and you will be randomly presented with 3 of the security questions that you answered. If your answers to all 3 of the security questions match your answers that you entered during your initial login, you will be able to reset or change your password. Your account can become locked if you enter the incorrect password into HART 3 consecutive times, or if you enter in the wrong answers to the security questions 3 times. If your account is locked, you will not be able to log in again until it is unlocked. You may attempt to unlock your account by clicking on the Forgot Password button. Again, you will be presented with 3 of the security questions that you had answered previously. If you answer all 3 questions correctly, your account will be unlocked and you will be able to change your password. You can answer any 6 of the 10 questions you choose. For demonstration purposes, I will go ahead and answer 6 of these questions now. You are now presented with the main screen of the user tool. Since this is your first time logging in, you will need to begin by creating a facility. From the administration menu located at the top of your screen, select Facility from the drop-down menu. The right side of the screen is where you will want to enter your facility information. The required fields are bolded and have an asterisk beside them. I will go ahead and enter some test data. The information can be saved by clicking on the Save icon located at the top of your screen. You can also click on the File menu located at the top left corner of your screen and then select Save from the drop-down menu. You will then be presented with a warning message telling you the assigned facility provider submission ID is a number that is assigned by your ASAP submission system that to which you will be submitting your HIS records. If you know this number, you may enter it without calling the help desk. However, if this number is incorrect, your submissions to the ASAP system will be rejected. For more information on the ASAP submission system, please see the Module 4 HIS Record File Submission WebEx Recordings, located at QTSO eUniversity webpage on the QTSO website. Once you close out of the warning message, you will see the facility information that you have added on the left side of the screen. If you have entered more than one facility, you would see them listed here in the default order, which is alphabetical order by facility name. You can single-click on any of the column headings to change the sort order of the information presented. However, the sort order you select will not be saved if you leave the screen. I will now enter another facility as an example. Again, I can save the information by clicking on the Save icon or going to the File menu. Now that you have created your facility, you will need to enter a System Administrator user ID. You must create at least one System Administrator before you can create any other user ID types. The System Administrator has the most authority of all user ID types. The System Administrator has access to all functionality within HART. They can add, edit, or delete user, patient, and HIS record data. They can add or edit facilities and create inactivation or modification requests if necessary. They are also authorized to import and export files and run reports. The other user types available within HART are the data entry user and the view-only user. The data entry user can only add or edit patient and HIS record data or edit the facility they are assigned to. View-only users can view HIS record data that has been entered by a system admin or data entry user assigned to their same facility. From the Administration menu, select User from the drop-down menu. Required fields are designated by bold letters and an asterisk and must be completed in order to save data. Please note that the user ID is case sensitive. The user type of the first user must be the System Administrator. You must also select one facility from the box to which the user ID will be assigned. Once you have entered in all the information, you must save the user ID. Again, you can save by either clicking on the Save icon or selecting Save from the File menu. It is important to note that it is recommended that you create more than one System Administrator ID as a backup in the event that one of the System Administrators becomes locked out. Once you have saved your information, you will see the list of users on the left-hand side of the page. You can change the sort order by clicking on any of the column headings. Once you have created your System Administrator, you will need to log out of the HART User Tool application by going to the Security menu located at the top of the screen and select Log Out. You need to log out since you are still signed in as the default user at this time. The default user can only create facilities and users. If you wish to create patient and HIS record data, you will need to log in as a different user. After signing out, you will return to the login screen. I will now sign in using the System Administrator user ID I just created. The username and password will be the same the first time you log in with a new user ID. Again, please note that the user IDs and passwords are case sensitive. You will then be prompted to continue through the steps to create a new password and answer at least 6 of the 10 security questions as you did with the default user ID of HART.